Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your 2024 recap playlist on YouTube Music from PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to my Google and then open up the youtube.com. Okay, and after you have opened the youtube.com, you're going to click on these three lines to go to the YouTube Music. You can scroll down until you find YouTube Music right here. Okay, and then if you want to get your 2024 recap playlist, you just need to scroll down and you will find this recap. So this is my 2024 recap playlist guys, and if you want to open it, you just need to click on it. And then these are the music for the song in my playlist, and this playlist is private only for you, so only you who can access this playlist. Okay guys, then that's all the way to find the 2024 recap playlist on YouTube Music from PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.